Hello everyone, welcome to WIZ Technology Association, and this is Peter. And today I have good news to share with you guys. And today I have just received a very awesome package from WIZ Robotics, and it's a whole box of the Arduino car. And also, they hold a competition, and I also joined in. Why don't I? I always like to try something new. And these terms, their topic is Tesla. So that means I need to create my own Arduino car to achieve some function that similarly or have some relationship with Tesla. And I have a very awesome design. And my plan My plan is use 3D print to create out the main body of my car, and then I will use the Arduino to do some coding work and let it can go by itself. And also I will add a coil gun on top of it, but the energy of the coil gun is pretty low, just for about 1.8 joule, and that's just the model to make you have some fun. Yeah, the coil gun is the same as my coil gun that I have showed in my channel. In this video that I had showed before, and I just need a 12-volt battery for the RC model airplane, and that's really safe. A 12-volt cannot hurt anyone. And this is my design. Here is the main body of the car, and here is the wheels. Because of they just provide 2 servo motors and 2 rubber wheels, so I will use something that like a big screw or maybe a glass ball, just like Lego's wheel, the small metal round wheel. Let it stay here. So you may notice that my car can just go forward, but the most interesting thing is that it can open fire. Yeah, but this function is just to make you have some fun. It's quite safe. It will not hurt anyone. Okay. And also, please make sure if you want to do a similar toy, please follow the rule and never hurt anybody, and include yourself. Please notice of this point. And on the top, there will be another part and include the coil gun. And I will add another servo motor to connect the coil gun with the main body of the car. Just like this. The top is my coil gun, and here is the main body, the front wheel that connect with the RC servo motor, and here is the glass ball or the screw that to use as another part of the wheel. And also I will add some electronic sensors, such as microwave sensor, or maybe a shortwave sensor. And if they receive the wave, or just like the reader, it will send out a wave, and after it receives the wave, it will know there is something in front of it, and then it will control the coil gun to open fire. And the coil gun, let me to introduce a little to you, because maybe you did not see my last film about the coil gun. And the coil gun is there is a coil, and here is the positive, and here is the negative. Oh, sorry, here is the negative. And then you put a screw here, and you add a high voltage between these 2 points. And after you turn on the switch, because of the magnetic force, this screw. Please notice it must be a metal screw, and the metal screw will push out by the magnetic field. And also, if in short words, the much higher power, the much higher speed, because much higher power can create much more magnetic force, and much more magnetic force can shoot out the metal screw in a much higher speed. It's still a very long sentence. And that's all for today's video. And also, if we use a magnetic bar as the ammo, it will go much more faster, and the effective will be much more higher because of the Lenz's law. And if we use the right hand method, this is the coil, and the finger is the side of the electric, and here the electric is the current, and here is the side of North Pole. And if we push a magnetic bar from this side to this side, and here is the North Pole, and here is the North Pole of the magnetic bar, and after we provide a high voltage for the coil, and it will produce a very large magnetic force. And here is the North Pole, and a very huge force will push the magnetic bar, so it will have much more speed than the metal screw. Okay, and nice to see you all, and let's meet next time. Bye, this is Peter, and this is World Technology Association.